Welcome to Vedair Drone Services. Today we are looking at how drone deploy gives us great mapping ability. First we see a satellite image of a wooded lot. Now, with the orthomosaic overlay, we see a present-day construction site. We want to focus on this cut pile of topsoil to the top of your screen. Volume is quickly calculated in drone deploy to ensure the site manager maintains the correct volume on site at all times. Volume calculations are made easy in drone deploy. Simply circle the area and get cut, fill, and volume calculations in seconds. Now we see the area function of drone deploy. The blue area is the foundation of one of the 9 buildings. We easily obtain the square footage of this foundation and can make accurate measurements of any components within the construction site. Last, we see the elevation map. The color-coded area shows all the different elevations within the construction site. Drainage and runoff issues can be corrected before they become a major problem. Thank you for watching. This is Vedair Drone Services.